In this video, I'm going to show you can easily update Twitter app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and the first off, open up App Store or Google Play if you are on Android, and then just as source for Twitter. And then if a dead button next to Twitter says update, just hit on that and wait until the update process to complete, and you will get the latest Twitter app version. However, even if a dead button says open, there still may be some new technical updates. And if you are having some problems with your Twitter app, if there are some bugs, some errors that keeps bothering you, you can force reinstall Twitter app. And now let me show you how you can easily do that. So let's help out App Store for now, and let's head over to that settings. After that, hit on General, then iPhone Storage, and then just scroll down until you find the Twitter. If you can't find it here, you can use search. Then tap on Twitter, and all you have to do now is first off, hit Upload App. What that will do? That will remove all app core files, and then you will be able to reinstall that app. And the det will most likely remove any problems with that Twitter app. And when this process is complete, you will be able to use Twitter app as you did that before, without even re-entering your login and password, because all your documents and data wasn't removed. If you are on Android, you can just clear Twitter app cache now. You can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Twitter tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.